Hi guys, how's it going? Welcome to my channel. My name's Pierre and I'm here to help you brew better coffee at home. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so today I just wanted to show you a simple way to brew with Kalita at home. Some key differences between the Kalita and some other brewers are that firstly, the Kalita has a flat bottom. It means it's going to have a little bit of a longer extraction or drawdown time. And secondly, it has a little bit less volume in the head compared to say a Chemex. For me, when I'm brewing with Kalita, I want to work with these unique properties and take advantage of the contact time, drawing out the extraction and getting a little bit more of a balanced, bodied cup. So for today's video, I'm going to be using the bigger Kalita, 185. If you have a smaller 155 Kalita, my friend Lewis has a great video of his UK Brewers Cup Championship winning coffee. I'll drop the link in the description below. So today I'll be brewing this Alasitas Bolivian roasted by Drop Coffee. I'll put a link to this coffee in the description. I think that Drop right now has free shipping if you're based in Sweden, so check that out if you're interested. I've also ground 25 grams of coffee to a medium coarse grind. And my water here is set to 95 degrees. But if you don't have a variable temp kettle, then it's okay to just use boiling water straight off the boil. I've also pre-wet the filter. And I don't know if you can see, but I only have a small Kalita filter in the brewer. That's just because that's all I had today. It just means I'm going to have to be extra careful with my pours and try not to overfill the filter. But that's good. It means we can draw out the extraction even more. So let's get into it. For today's recipe, I'll be doing 4 pours to really draw out that extraction. To keep it nice and simple, I'll be brewing to a volume of 400 ml, and so I'll just do 4 pours of 100 ml. I'll be pouring 100 ml every 40 seconds, which means I'll be pouring for 20 seconds and giving it 20 seconds to rest and draw down a little bit. For this recipe, it's a pretty slow pour, but it's just going to draw out that extraction even more and give you that nice body. Like I said, we'll be pouring every 40 seconds, which means that the last pour is going to be at 2 minutes. Which is right now. And the reason I'm holding my hand here is because the sun is kind of messing up my display. So I'm going to pour very carefully. And there we have it. So the total brew time we're looking for is about 3 minutes 45 to 4 minutes, which is a pretty long extraction time, but with Kalita it's especially important to brew for taste and not for time. Alright, and there we have it guys. It's a simple Kalita recipe for you to brew at home. If you like this video and you want to see more, please remember to subscribe. You can also hit me up on Instagram at baristapierre. Ask me any questions, I'll see if I can get back to you. Thanks again so much for watching, and see you guys next time. Happy brewing.